Did you know that ending your YouTube videos with a call to action can increase engagement and grow your audience? Let's explore some creative ways to end your videos. You can reward your loyal viewers by hosting a giveaway or contest featuring your product. For example, you could host a BJUAS X giveaway and encourage viewers to like and subscribe for a chance to win. Another creative way to end your videos is to use a catchy phrase that encourages viewers to like and subscribe. For example, you could say like, subscribe, and let's grow together. When creating content to promote BJUAS X, it's important to use attention-grabbing titles and relevant tags. For example, you could create a gaming montage featuring BJUAS X and use tags like gaming, BJUAS X, and montage. By creating different types of content like unboxing videos, reviews, and tutorials, you can showcase the different features and benefits of BJUAS X. This can help attract a wider audience and increase engagement. So, remember to always end your YouTube videos with a call to action and get creative with your content. Thanks for watching.